blindingly gorgeous Saturday here. The weather is perfect. I think it's probably 67 degrees right now. Oh, I gotta get this shot for you. Look how gorgeous this is. Just feels like you're walking through a forest of trees with the light filtering. I mean, stunning.
I'm leaving the post office and I got a package from April, my friend, the suitcase designer, sent all the way from South Korea. I'm so excited. She's the best, the absolute best. I know a lot of you already watch her channel. If you haven't checked her out, go check her out. Ooh, so many pretty packages. Oh my gosh, she wrapped everything. How sweet. Okay, let me open everything up and show you. And Samson can try his treat. This is for you. Oh, this smells really good. Is this for you? I guess so. Oh my gosh, he loves it. That smelled good to me. I want to eat this. It's definitely for dogs though. Yeah, that's a dog face, okay. Mmm, it was delicious, huh? Just got home from working out. Did my HIIT workout today. And I'm opening my bag from April, unpacking all this stuff. It was a hard workout today. I forgot to see how many calories I burned. But I actually jogged on the treadmill, which was new. Ooh, oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. She individually wrapped all of these presents for me. That is so sweet. I love unwrapping gifts. I'm gonna take a shower, but I actually have to take Samson to the vet for his shot. Oh my goodness, what else is in here? And a little card. How cute. How wonderful. She's just awesome. I'm so glad she reached out to me randomly, and then we did a video call and we just hit it off, like immediately hit it off like old friends. You know when you just meet kind of like a kindred spirit? That's what it was like, because I have reached out to other YouTubers and I have not had a good experience at all. So it was very nice and refreshing to, and we're transparent with each other. What are your goals? It's really fun. We're both trying to push ourselves to kind of, you know, just grow, and we both want to own a place one day, and it requires money. Lots and lots of money. Yeah, I'm very grateful. So many cute things. Let me show you. This is incredible. I'm so excited to try all of this. He loves his chews. He's very happy. I have been staring at this corner of clutter I'm selling for a month now, and my ultimate goal is to transform it into a dining nook. My apartment is sorely lacking in art because I've always struggled with picking out prints and knowing how to frame them properly. Thankfully, Decor handles all of the above, making it super easy and user-friendly to have chic prints sized, ready for framing, and delivered to your door. Decor is a Swedish brand that offers a wide range of affordable wall art that is always in line with the latest interior design trends. They add new prints to their assortment on a monthly basis, and a lot of the prints are designed by an in-house design team or their photographers. I picked out this abstract floral print and decided to do black framing with it. Then I went with this colorful one that reminds me of Los Angeles, and mixed it up with this more neutral framed print. My original plan was to do a gallery wall in this corner, but then I thought maybe I could place this one on top of my ugly wall heater in the living room. I like the neutral color of the frame, and I think it just might work. Art is definitely the _1 way for me to transform my little apartment. It makes such a big difference. Decor is giving you a 45% discount on prints. Use my code Carla_project for a 45% discount on prints, valid through midnight, May 25th. The code excludes personalized prints and canvases. I'll link my selections in the description box, and thanks so much to Decor for sponsoring today's video. I want to wipe this unit down, spot check, see
See, like I have a box. Why? Why do I keep the box? I don't need the box. So let me just clear this off. I've got my cleaning caddy. I mean business. I've been doing really well with not buying makeup or skincare. It's just such a teeny tiny bathroom. It really is a small space. I gotta keep my eye on how much collects. Ooh. In the mood to scrub. I'm in the mood to scrub. This is the current mess I've made, but I mean, this is just actually what it looks like. That's it organized, but all this stuff. So this is why my bathroom used to always look like this, is because I did not have this unit. I feel like I've nailed this room in terms of maximizing the storage space. Let's just clean it really quickly. I'm only gonna give myself 15 minutes in here. I don't wanna do this all day. This is why it's good to deep clean. This is what's behind that little unit. Lots of dirt. Wow, you can absolutely see the difference just from this corner to these ones. This is the corner I've done, so I'm gonna do the whole floor, just do a quick scrub of it. These tiles are more worn out because they've been walked on more, whereas this has been covered. But that's as white as these are gonna get. I'm gonna store all of my excess skincare in this hat bin and force myself to use one regimen all the way through, complete it until I can move on to the next one, because I keep switching between all these different products and never completely finishing a bottle. This is now going to house my matches. Okay, that's adorable. Look how cute, a little mushroom ceramic jug with the matches. Cute, cute, cute. And I'm gonna put it up here, right there. This is perfect for my contact lenses. Easy access, cute packaging. Fits perfectly on that shelf. I like it.
skincare bin, and I'm not allowed to use these products until I finish the ones that are out on my shelf. So this is my little shop here. Very much liking how this looks now. It's a lot neater without all of the extra stuff out. And then this is how this shelf looks. And I think this looks good too. Perfect. It's cute. It's styled. Cute and stylish. Yeah, and then I have my little necklaces here. If you do one thing today, clean your bathroom and set it up the way that you like it, and you will feel accomplished. You'll feel fantastic. Oh my God. Back in the car again. I am taking myself out on a date tonight. Taking this hair out for a spin. I can't stay home after getting my hair done. This is the day that it looks the best. But I'm taking myself to the movies. My friend said Dungeons and Dragons is really good, so it's not a movie I ever would have picked to go see. But here we are. I'll let you know how it is. I love going to the movies. I don't mind going by myself. I actually particularly enjoy going by myself. I always have, even when I was really young. Yeah, I think I started going to movies by myself when I was 9. I'd go and visit my mom in the summertime in Sacramento, and she was working. She was, you know, she was an attorney, and she was working long hours, and sometimes on the weekends, she would just take me to the movies and drop me off. And I would go. It seems like something you can't really do anymore, right? That doesn't seem safe. But yeah, I grew up very independent, and I would go watch movies by myself, and I loved it. I loved it. I loved it so much. Some things don't change.